Hello and welcome to the Convenient Height showroom. In this video, we'll show our new accessories, which are different color flush handle levers. We have 4 new colors here in matte and glossy finishes. We will go into full detail of all of them in just a moment. Before we do, please note that chrome flush handle lever comes standard and is already prepackaged inside shipping boxes for each of our Convenient Height toilets. We will start with glossy gold. A glossy gold finish brings a touch of luxury and elegance to your bathroom. The shiny reflective surface catches the light beautifully, adding a sense of sophistication. Glossy gold is perfect for those who want to create a glamorous and high-end look in their bathroom. And the next one is brushed nickel. This versatile and durable finish is ideal for a modern and sleek bathroom. The matte surface with a slight texture reduces fingerprints and water spots, making it easy to maintain. Brushed nickel's neutral tone blends seamlessly with stainless steel fixtures, creating a cohesive and polished look. Next is matte black, and matte black is for a bold and dramatic statement. The finish exudes sophistication, making it perfect for minimalistic and industrial style bathrooms. The deep matte surface adds depth and contrast, highlighting and other design elements in the space. And we have matte gold, and matte gold is for those who like elegant options. It offers a refined and understated finish. The non-reflective surface of matte black provides a soft and warm glow that complements a variety of styles from classic to contemporary. It's a timeless choice that adds a touch of class without overpowering the overall aesthetic. All of those Convenient Height colored handles are available on our website, convenientheight.com. Here we're showing you how the toilets look like with the toilet seats open. And what's important to notice is that even with the seat cover open, the handle is accessible. As you are watching this, we will remind you once again that the chrome flush lever is already in each box, ready to go out. So all these different colors are something that you could order as an extra accessory, a different color. And once again, a close-up shot, and we will start from the right to left. And this is matte gold, matte black, and brushed nickel, and glossy gold. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on convenientheight.com.